Rolling.
Hey, today we're here to talk to you about how you can make one of my signature dishes of mussels. All about one of my special signature mussel dishes that signature mussel dishes, or signature dishes that one of my today I'm going to show you how you can make one of my signature dishes of mussels. Something that you can take the restaurant experience to your own home without all the flaming skillets to set off your fire alarm.
Oh, wait.
Let's start by preparing our ingredients. Take your garlic cloves and slice them thin. I like to do the cut chiffonade for basil for maximum flavor. Start by removing the stems and then stack the leaves from largest to smallest. Then roll the leaves into a loose cigarette and slice them thinly. Fresh fennel gives this dish a nice sweet punch. Thin as possible. You can use any kind of bread, but a baguette is my favorite garnish for this. Start by turning your bread at an angle with a good sharp bread knife and slice carefully on an extreme bias into slices approximately 1/4 inch thick. To prepare the mussels, rinse them off when you get them out of the packaging. Make sure that all of the shells are closed or close after you squeeze them a little bit. And make sure that you remove the little beard. I've always told my cooks that if a guest pulls any beard out of their teeth when they're eating this dish, then it had better have been their own. Here's an example of one you would throw out. Preheat your grill. Then we're going to paint the baguette slices with your favorite olive oil. I have garlic oil in my fridge most of the time, so that's what we're using today. Ideally, you will turn these a 1/4 turn halfway through, and then we're going to flip them. Cook for a minute, and then turn them another 1/4 turn. Over high heat, heat a good large, preferably cast iron pan. Put in your sesame oil. When you do see smoke, then add your garlic. Then Then we add the mussels, which have already been drained. Seasoned with sea salt and fresh black pepper. After the mussels have cooked a little bit, toss in your fennel. It won't take too long to cook. Hit it with a little bit of dry white wine. Let that alcohol burn off a little bit, and then you're going to add your ponzu. Ponzu is a special Japanese sauce of shoyu, soy, and a citrus called yutsu. It's mixed with several other citrus that are special to Japan. When the mussels are mostly cooked, hit it with a little bit of butter. If you need to, you can put a lid over these to help the mussels steam up open the rest of the way. When the dish is done to your liking, go ahead and add a handful of raw baby spinach to it and let the residual heat wilt it. Add your basil chiffonade at this point also, and just mix to combine. If you get any feisty little creatures that didn't open up, give them a little help with your tongs. Arrange your mussels into a large serving bowl. Had I dropped any more, I would have been forced to rename this dish Mussels Florentine. Finally, arrange your grilled bread slices up around the edges to give your guests something to dip into the tasty broth.